Percy Jackson series by Rick Riordan is a set of 5 fantasy adventure novels, and the 5 books in order are Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief first, Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters second, Percy Jackson and the Titan's Curse third, fourth one is the Percy Jackson and the Battle of Labyrinth, and fifth is Percy Jackson and the Last Olympian. So I finished reading these books, and in this video I will talk about my experiences of reading and whether you should go for them or not. So first things first, these books are based on Greek myths. In the story, Greek myths are real and Greek gods exist in the modern world. So you can expect Zeus, god of the sky, Poseidon, god of the sea, Hades, god of the underworld, their sons and daughters, other gods and demigods, monsters, and so on. And you don't need any prior knowledge of Greek myths to understand these novels. I too didn't know anything about it, but after reading this, I got to know a lot about the myths. These books will tell you the story of Percy Jackson, as you can guess from the name of the books. And Percy Jackson is a half-blood. That means one of his parents is a god and the other parent is a human being. And Percy Jackson and his friends go to adventurous and dangerous missions to save their camp, sometimes their friends, and sometimes the world. Percy Jackson is only 12 years old in the first book and 16 years old in the last book. So this series covers his life from 12 to 16, 5 years of his life in the 5 books. As you can guess, it's a children's book best for the age group of 12 to 18. But there is no problem if you are 20 or 30 or 40. I'm 21 years old and I enjoyed these books. What is the problem in imagining yourself as a child? These books have a lot of action and adventure. Just like Mumbai local trains are tightly packed with passengers leaving no space, similarly, these books are packed with action and adventure. Next thing, the story is very fast-paced. Everything happens so fast that there is no boring moment. You will move from one chapter to another and then from one book to another, just like sleeping on an ice surface. Smooth and irresistible. Now I will talk about what I liked in these books. This is a single book which I am using to represent the 5 books because it's getting heavy to hold it like this every time. So the first thing I liked in these books is adventure. As I said, the book is packed with action and adventure, and I like adventurous books like Journey to the Center of the Earth or The Martian, where you visit new places, fight to survive, solve mysteries. And the same is true for Percy Jackson books. Here Percy and his friends visit mysterious places on the land, on the sky, on the sea, island, underground, you name it, and they fight monsters, solve mysteries, and save themselves from almost dying. The books have magic, powerful and dangerous villains, and battles, and everything you can expect from a fantasy adventure. Long story short, if you like adventurous books, then Percy Jackson series is going to be one of your favorite, except you have already read it and it's already your favorite. The second best thing is humor. I love humor and humorous books, and that is the second best thing in Percy Jackson books. I like the writing style of Rick Riordan, the way he has cracked jokes in serious moments in the story, the way he has narrated the things with humor. It's really genius. And it's not like humor is there on every page, you will just find it in some places, but this will make your reading process so much fun and interesting. The third thing which I liked in the books is the character of Percy Jackson. I liked it because he's like most of us. Luck does not support him, he makes mistakes, and his friends make fun of him. And he's the least knowledgeable compared to his friends, so he's always asking questions and sounding like an idiot. Yes, he's a hero, but his weaknesses allows us to connect with him, and that enhances the reading experience. And there are many other things I liked in the novels, like there are some great messages and lessons to learn. Like the character of Percy Jackson will teach you that a real hero is always humble and selfless. The second thing, the story focuses on the importance of plants and nature and the pollution we are causing to the environment. It gives us the message that we should preserve the nature by planting trees, which is necessary now because of the rising levels of pollution and global warming. So the story is not only fun to read, but also it spreads positivity and awareness. Now I will tell you what I didn't like in the Percy Jackson series, and I liked everything except one, and it's just my personal opinion, and I understand that nothing can be completely perfect, but since I have to speak my opinion, it is that the books lacked romance. It would have been better if there was more emphasis on love and romance. I know it sounds silly and it's stupid, and I don't blame Rick Riordan for this because he wrote the books for children, not adults, and in a way it's my fault that I'm reading it late when I'm 21 and expecting romance. But I just felt it while reading, and you may not feel that way. Maybe because before reading Percy Jackson, I read Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. Now let me tell you about my experiences of reading the Percy Jackson books and what kind of addiction these books had become. So I was so much into the story. The story is so gripping, engaging and interesting. It was so much fun going through mystery, action and adventure that I was reading it every time, day and night. I was tired, I had a strain on my eyes and I was still reading it. And this is the second time this thing happened to me. The first was, of course, when I read Harry Potter books. And I'm not bragging, it's true. I could not rest until I finished the series. I even had dreams of Percy Jackson. And when I finished the series, I was happy and sad. Happy because I read the books and sad because I finished them. And I would not have Percy Jackson books to read the next day. Now this is what happens when you read an interesting book or a series of books. To conclude, I would say Percy Jackson series is really fascinating and you should go for it even if you are a beginner, because the language is very simple as it is written for children and you are going to love it and it's going to be one of your favorites. And let me know in the comments what you think about the Percy Jackson series. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel where I talk about books, and thanks for staying with me. Meet you in the next video.